Last month, there was a decline in some of the trends after 5 months of positive movement. I mentioned that could be the start of normal seasonality. Did those declining trends continue in November, signaling the start of winter seasonality in the Oahu real estate market? My name is Tom Presler, and I'm joining you from Coldwell Banker here in Honolulu, Hawaii. The Honolulu Board of Realtors' November Oahu report was released over the weekend. The single-family home market remains strong and steady. While not as strong as the single-family market, the condo market continues to be stable for now as well. Normally this time of year, we start to see market activity decline here on Oahu as local buyers and sellers start to focus on the holidays. Throughout the year, economists have predicted that the pandemic-related pause, along with the start of economic recovery and pent-up demand in this low interest rate environment, would extend the busy summer season into fall here on Oahu. Let's take a look at the numbers and see what happened in November. Many of the single-family key indicators improved over 2019 and almost caught up or exceeded year-to-date 2019, even though we continue to see extremely low inventory in most regions on Oahu. The number of single-family listings receiving multiple offers above list price continues to increase, pushing up prices. 338 closed sales are up 5.6% over November 2019 and down less than 1% year-to-date. 618 pending sales are up significantly with a 34% increase over November 2019 and up 15% year-to-date. While this is the second month of declining closed and pending sales following a 6-month positive trend, it's good to see that both are still higher than what would be considered normal numbers for the same month last year. Median days on market continues at 10 days for the second month in a row. This is down 56.5% from 23 days in November 2019 and down 39% year-to-date. I continue to see many listings in the hot submarkets that are waiting until after the first week to review offers, which is keeping the days on market artificially higher than it would otherwise be. 379 new listings are up nearly 11% from November 2019, but still down 19% year-to-date. It's good to see the new listings trend flatten out rather than declining as we usually see this time of year. Unfortunately, the 934 active listings are down 34% from November 2019 and sets a new 2-year low. Months of inventory remains at the 2-year low of 1.8 months, which is down 42% from November 2019. This is the 6th straight month of declining or flat inventory for single-family homes. The median price of $872,500 is just short of the all-time high of $880,000 from September, but it's still up nearly 10% over November 2019 and up nearly 5% year-to-date. The most active area for single-family homes continues to be the Ewa Plain, 21% of the single-family home sales. The most active price band is back to $700,000 to $800,000. It's interesting to note that 49% of the buyers in the Ewa Plain and 30% of all Oahu single-family buyers use the VA loan benefit. The condo market remains stable. Unfortunately, the reduced travel restrictions are not bringing large numbers of condo investors as we had hoped. Local buyers in this segment who are returning to work are either not able to buy yet or taking a wait-and-see approach in this environment of economic uncertainty. The end of the eviction moratorium, which will impact condos much more than single-family homes, is also causing both investors and owner-occupants to pause a bit. November closed sales at 407 is down 15% from last month and down 6% from November 2019. Year-to-date closed sales are still down nearly 16%. 670 pending sales are down 3% from last month, but are up 10% over November 2019. Pending sales are down nearly 9% year-to-date. Closed and pending sales both declined for the first time month over month since the low in May. Median days on market at 16 decreased nearly 38.5% from November 2019 and sets a new 2-year low. Year to date, the days on market is down nearly 4%. The 561 new listings in November are down 15.5% from last month and down 4% from November 2019. Year to date, new listings are still down nearly 15.5%. Active listings at 2,182 are down nearly 6% from November 2019 and remain at lower levels than most months in 2019. Condo months of inventory at 3.8 months is up nearly 3% from November 2019, but this is the first time in 6 months that condominium months of inventory has dropped below 4 months. This indicates the condo market is technically a seller's market, but there are price bands and submarkets that are definitely buyer's markets. Median condo prices have decreased the last 2 months. The November median price of $420,000 is down nearly 4.5% from last month, but up 1.2% over November 2019 and year to date. The most active area for condos continues to be the Honolulu metro region with 44% of condo sales. The most active price band is $400,000 to $500,000 for the third straight month after making the jump from $300,000 to $400,000 in September. 14% of condo buyers in the metro region, 24% of all Oahu condo buyers use the VA loan benefit. So similar to last month, the single-family market remains a very strong seller's market in general. The condo market has continued to stabilize and remains a slight seller's market overall, with some geographic and price band submarkets remaining buyer's markets. Some of the areas of concern that I mentioned last month are starting to clear up. A smooth transition of government is taking shape. There are some positive developments towards a stimulus package, and the COVID vaccine rollout seems to be right around the corner. Even though COVID cases are increasing nationwide, the Oahu real estate market does not seem to be as impacted by normal seasonality and should remain strong with more activity than we normally see heading into the holidays and the end of the year. The eviction moratorium is still a big unknown that could definitely impact the market early in 2021. As I've mentioned in the last few months, if you are considering downsizing from a single-family home to a condo or townhome, this is definitely your market. I'm starting to sound like a broken record, but it's definitely a good market for you. If you're not downsizing and just considering selling a single-family home, this is a great time to be on the market. There are also still some great opportunities for folks doing 1031 exchanges in this type of market as well. Okay, I hope this information has been helpful. You can click the link below to access the complete report. You can also reach out with any questions or if you'd like to know what's going on in your neighborhood. Please click the blue Coldwell Banker logo in the bottom right corner or the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell symbol next to the subscribe button to receive notifications when new market updates are posted. I post the Oahu market and the luxury market updates monthly, and will be adding other updates and information as time allows. Thank you for your time. Please take care and be safe.